There are four valves in heart which control the direction of blood flow in the heart and into the blood vessel. They open and close about 100,000 times a day. A tricuspid valve guards the opening of right atrium into right ventricle. A bicuspid valve guards the opening of left atrium into left ventricle. The semilunar valve are three half-moon shaped valves present at the base of pulmonary aorta and aorta. They control the flow of blood from right ventricle into pulmonary aorta and from left ventricle into aorta. When atria contract, the cuspid valve open. When ventricle contract, the pulmonary and aortic semilunar valve open and cuspid valve closed. The function of valve that they prevent backflow of. Now children, we have to study about the blood vessel associated with heart. Blood vessels supply blood to heart. These are two in number. That is one, a pair of coronary artery that arises from aorta. These two are the coronary artery that arises from the aorta, and these two will supply blood to heart only, that is oxygenated blood to heart. Whereas the second one is the coronary vein that collect blood. This is the coronary vein that collect blood from the heart and pour it into the right atrium or right auricle. Now, the second one is the blood vessel that arises from the heart, and these are two in number. One is aorta that arises from left ventricle and carries oxygenated blood to various parts of the body. The second one is the pulmonary aorta, and we also called it as pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary artery that arises from right ventricle and that carries deoxygenated blood to lungs for the purpose of oxygenation. Now the third type of blood vessel that bring blood to heart, and this is first, that is the inferior vena cava that bring blood from lower part of the body, that is deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body, and a superior vena cava that bring blood from the upper part of the body, and that is also the deoxygenated blood. So these are the blood vessels that help in pumping and collecting the blood. Along with the heart, these are the helper of the heart. Now we have to study the working of heart and circulation of blood. So children, the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body by two large veins, that is vena cava. And the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from lung by two pair of pulmonary veins. Both the arteria contract at the same time and their cuspid valve open up. The blood from left atrium come into the left ventricle and from right atrium into the right ventricle. Both the arteria relax and ventricle contract. The cuspid valve are shut and semilunar valve open. The oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is pumped into aorta and distributed to all the part of arteries, all the part of body with the help of arteries, whereas the deoxygenated blood from right ventricle is pumped into pulmonary aorta and is transported to lung by the pulmonary arteries for oxygenation. Now children, see how the pumping of heart take place.